And the ongoing wage negotiations featured in the recent St. Mary Municipal Corporation meeting. Mayor of Port Maria, Richard Creary, is encouraging public sector workers to accept the wage offer from the government. He says the sector should think carefully of the impact their demand is having on the country. He says while the various sectors deserve more, the current offer is the largest increase in salary that has ever been given to public sector workers in the history of Jamaica.
We had a situation where the nurses made demands on the government, and as a result, it derailed the IMF program that we had at the time because the government acceded to the request, and then it derailed the entire program. The government had to borrow further money in order to make these payments.